Very clear po yan.
Very clear yan.
And I'm so glad for the rest of those my colleagues that supported my objection. And therefore, realizing that this is actually an exercise in futility and a waste of the people's money, I therefore would like to walk out of this hearing right now.
Yun. Wow, talagang. Para medyo
The
dramatic.
manifestation is noted.
Ikaw pa lang ang nakita kong nag-walkout na pinagtawanan ng mga katabi mo. Naku, bakit nag-walkout itong si Benny Abante? Anak ng toko, masyado talagang pa-importante itong Abante na to. Porket ini-impeach itong si Marcos Jr., nag-walkout ka? Pero kay Bibi Sara, napaka-bibo mo. Kapal talaga ng mukha. Repent! Ako, pinag-uusapan na ho. Ito, tuloy ho natin ang video game.
Sufficiency inform here.
But this is a proceeding on the sufficiency in form.
Yes, Madam Chair, but I did not hear any explanation of Congressman Nitay on the sufficiency in form. What I heard was the complaint on impeachment. Ang narinig ko kanina, yung mga complaint on impeachment, hindi ko narinig yung explanation niya on sufficiency in form.
Nako.
Hindi pa natin pinag-uusapan dito yung substance. Ang pinag-uusapan natin dito, ang sufficiency in form. Kaya nais ko munang marinig ang paliwanag ni Congressman Nitay tungkol sa sufficiency in form ng verified complaint na ito.
While the pronouncement of Representative Nisay is quite limited as to sufficiency in form, the chair heard it loud and clear when he said that the complaint of De Jesus is compliant with respect to sufficiency in form, and he made mention as well about the verification, unless Representative Nisay would like to make an additional manifestation.
Madam Chair, generally, a complaint is sufficient in form if it meets the formal requirement on its face. Sa ilalim ng rules, ang complaint dapat ay katulad ng nabanggit nyo kanina, verified under oath by the complainant through an affidavit stating that he has read and understood the contents of the complaint and that the allegations therein are true and correct based on his personal knowledge or authentic documents. So lahat po ng yan present naman sa ating complaint. Therefore, I am manifesting that the complaint is sufficient in form. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Bishop, I hope that satisfies the Honorable Abante. Any other member who wishes to comment on the sufficiency in form? Because otherwise, we will be proceeding to the determination of sufficiency in form of the second complaint. That is the Masa et al. Complaint.
Madam Chair,
The Honorable Congressman Ridon is recognized.
I just wanted to be very clear on the topics of personal knowledge and authentic records, because for the record, I understand that in previous impeachment cases, the question of personal knowledge or authentic records is the crux on the sufficiency in form question. So I just wanted to know from the endorser whether or not the complaint is based first on personal knowledge or actually authentic records. Madam Chair.
The chair wishes to remind the committee members that our determination of form and substance should be confined in the impeachment complaint itself. As to whether or not it is indeed based on personal knowledge or authentic records, we will be proceeding to that on the proper time. But for the purpose of determination of sufficiency in form, what we're looking at right now is whether the verification is properly written, which means it has to include personal knowledge and authentic records.
I submit, Madam Chair.
May we flash on the screen for the benefit of those who wish to see the impeachment complaint. This is the verification part. Can you please zoom? What is significant in the verification is actually paragraph 3. And paragraph 3 reads, the allegations in the verified complaint are true and correct based on my personal knowledge or based on authentic documents. That is for consideration, of course, of the committee members.
Madam Chair.
The Honorable Santay is recognized.
Thank you. Madam Chair, in the determination of sufficiency in form, three things are important. Verification, endorsement, proper content and structure. The complaint is duly verified. It contains a sworn affidavit of the complainant affirming that he has read the complaint and that its allegations are true to his personal knowledge. There is an endorsement coming from the Honorable Nisay, and, well, if it contains the proper structure, well, the names of the parties are there, the designation of the offense and actual omission. I believe that the complaint is sufficient in form.
Thank you, Congressman.
Ang dami kasing kaartihan nitong si Benny Abante. Di ba? Ano ba ang gusto mo? I-dismiss na yung impeachment nitong si Marcos Jr.?
Santay.
Madam
The Honorable Vice Chair Dumogan is recognized.
Thank you, Madam Chair. It is clear enough. So let us vote for the issue on sufficient.
We will come to that, Vice Chair.
Madam
Okay.
Chair.
I think we have exhausted already our discussions as to sufficiency in form of the De Jesus complaint. We shall now proceed to our discussion on the sufficiency in form of Massa et al. Complaint. But let us hear first the manifestation of position of our endorsers. The Honorable Representative Tino is recognized.
Madam Chair, I defer to
Madam Chair.
Representative Ilago.
Madam Chair.
With the indulgence of the Honorable Tino, the Honorable Rodriguez is
Let
recognized.
us first, it's a matter of order. We have already discussed, and there's a presentation of the congressman endorsing the complaint. There has been statements that they are informed. I think we should now vote. We should not vote on the first one before we go to the second one.
Correct. Tama
Yes,
naman
so
si ano
we-
doon.
I-
Isa-isa. Ang gulo kasi nitong si sabay-sabay pagbobotohan. Ganon? Talagang
For a
si...
vote, Madam Chair, for the sufficiency in form of the De Jesus complaint as
Oh,
endorsed
yan mo
by
nang pagbotohan.
Congressman Jet Nisay. So move, Madam Chair.
There is a motion to vote on the sufficiency in form of the Jesus complaint. Do I hear a second?
Second, Madam Chair.
The same has been seconded. So the motion is granted. The chair is now ready to hear the necessary motion.
Madam Chair.
The Honorable
Madam Chair.
Ambel Abante is
Madam Chair,
recognized.
I move to declare the impeachment complaint filed by Attorney Andre R. De Jesus sufficient and informed.
That's already been moved by me. It's already been moved. So let us move on the prior motion.
The understanding of the
vote or
chair
not.
about the motion of the Honorable Rodriguez is a motion to vote already about the sufficiency in form of the
Yes.
Jesus complaint, and that is why I solicited a second, and the chair granted that motion to vote already. Now we are entertaining the motion to declare the Jesus complaint as sufficient in form as raised by the Honorable Amben Amante.
Vote Madam Chair, the motion to vote, if it is voted in favor, it's approved. It is therefore voted in form as sufficient. So there's no need for other motion to declare. Because I have already moved to vote, and with that vote, it will result on either its referral back to the Secretary General because it is insufficient in form, or it is approved, it is sufficient in form, and we proceed to the next step. Thank you, Madam Chair.
With the indulgence of the Honorable Rodriguez, the chair was listening very well when he raised the motion of voting already about the sufficiency in form of the Jesus complaint. And the intention of the chair, when she recognized Honorable Rodriguez and even solicited a second to that motion, is to resolve whether or not we will be doing the voting now or after we deliberate on the sufficiency in form of the second impeachment complaint. So, with the indulgence of the Honorable Rodriguez, I hope we can proceed. We have granted the motion to do the voting now, and now we are entertaining the motion to declare the Jesus complaint as sufficient in form. There is a motion to declare the Jesus complaint as sufficient in form as raised by the Honorable Ambenamante. The same has been seconded. Is there any objection?
I object, Madam Chair. I did not properly hear the explanation on the
Suot mo kasi yung hearing aid mo. Ito talagang si Benny Abante. Pinapatagal niya proseso. Di ba? Yayariin nyo rin lang naman yung impeachment na yan. Yariin nyo na ngayon. Pambihira. Suot mo yung hearing aid mo. Kakasigaw mo yan. Nabingi ka na. Huwag ka kasi sigaw na sigaw.
sufficiency in form. And that is what I would like to hear. And because of this, I object.
There is a motion to declare the Jesus complaint
Ba't walang boses to si Benny Abante? Nanermon ka ba kagabi, ha? Ha? Sinigaw-sigawan mo ba kongregasyon mo kahapon? Araw ng linggo? Lanya ka.
as sufficient in form. The same has been objected to by the Honorable Abante, and therefore we will be dividing the House. Those who are in favor of the motion, please raise your right hand. Comsec, please count. All right, did we get the number? Those who are not in favor of the motion, please raise your right hand.
Lone Ranger si Lone Ranger si Kuba. Siya si Raulo talaga to si Benny, oo. Hoy, Benny! Lanya ka, nagsusulo ka dyan.
Those who abstain, please raise your right
Oo
hand.
talaga. Okay, sorry. Solo flight. Solo flight si Benny doon, ha? Mahilig talagang gumawa ng eksena to si Benny Abante. Nakakatawa.
4611.
46 in favor, 1 objecting, and 1 abstaining.
With 46 votes in favor, 1 vote against, and 1 abstain, the chair declares the De Jesus complaint as sufficient in form.